excited, ready, nervous. Had some car troubles, but we're back. Is this it? Yeah. Okay. First Sofar show. It's been a goal for a really long time.
Yes, hi.
I'm Michael.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. How are you? I'm so sorry for being late.
No, you're chilling. Sean, nice to meet you. You got it. GOVAN. Okay, I was like, is it GOVAN?
No, it happened.
GOVAN.
Yeah.
Cool. You're set to go second. Cool. We'll get you sound checked in a little bit, alright? Cool.
That sounds good.
And we're sold out tonight.
I know.
It's gonna be packed. It's gonna be packed.
She don't wanna hear
I saw that you guys
what
on
you
the
gotta say the next
That's hype. So excited.
So, if you got a mic now?
Huh? Say hi to the camera. I'm gonna say hi to the camera.
What's up, camera? We out here in Dogtown, California. You're like, what?
How we feeling? This is crazy. It's real. It's becoming real. I'm just like crazy. I always get nervous before performances, but then I don't know. I like forget that I've been doing this.
I found a parking space nearby.
It's music. It's different.
Right.
It's like a whole different side.
That was
Gotta
could be worse.
shake off these nerves. Kiarah is the music person. I'm just now getting familiar with these terms. She knows a lot more than me. I'm looking forward to just being me and expressing my authentic expression to people. I think, you know, definitely that is the most important thing with music. It's just like being yourself and like, you know, expressing yourself and allowing people to connect with you. I think is the biggest thing. So I think that's what I'm most excited for, is to let people know who GOVAN is and what he's been up to, because he's been kind of in the cuts.
Awesome. Yeah, dude. What? Have you done Sofar before?
No.
Cool.
My
First
very
one?
first. I'm looking forward to performing Sidelines. It's definitely like it's one of my most vulnerable songs, I think, and you know, it's definitely something that I don't know, like when it comes to love and when it comes to people and when it comes to like wasting your time on people, because that's literally what the song is about, wasting your time on people. It's something that, I'm a lover boy, so it's something that I do a lot. So I'm definitely just most excited to like wear my heart on my sleeve for that one.
Tonight's set. Gonna have to be P-Boy, pretty boy. Because ooh, he's such a hitty boy. Look at that. This. Exactly. Come on.
Awesome, man.
Oh, it's gonna be amazing. It's a beautiful. We're here at Dogtown Coffee. Come on. It's a beautiful spot. Beautiful, nice night. The beach is right over there.
Right.
Got my homie right here. Right. All the love gotta share. And hopefully these people, they look pretty cozy to me. So I think we're gonna supply the vibes on this beautiful
Sky looks
night.
nice tonight. I'm like, hey, second story to the right. Sorry.
So what do you want to get out of tonight?
Get out of tonight. I always say when I'm performing, I just want to catch a vibe.
Catch a
That's all that matters.
Baby, are you coming for the ride?
Exactly.
We're about to go on. Oh yeah.
And I'll just be that shit.
Second act of the night. Huge round of applause for GOVAN!
First Sofar show. This has been a very big dream and goal of ours, so thank y'all so much for being here, and thank you Sofar for having us. So I know we're at Sofar Sounds, but for the next 20 minutes I want to welcome y'all to the Pretty Boy Show.
Yeah. Once upon a time, not too long ago, there was a boy. Yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. He thought it's such a crime till he finally said no, fuck all the noise. Yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Look, they're up in space, there was such a great escape, with all these pretty faces surrounding around me. He saw it once and his heart boomed like a bomb. He can't help it how it's feeling astounding surrounding. Oh, it's such a pity, boy, looking at this pretty boy, looking fresh to death, it's so scary. Help me. Oh, it's such a pity, boy, looking at this pretty boy, wanting a taste of that. Hi. He said, look, finders, keepers, losers, weepers, pardon if I blew your speakers, I'm just testing out my research. Study says that you's a keeper, such some beautiful ass creatures, got me hot like scarlet fever, hypervent and take a breather, shit is crazy mama. Ooh, it's such a pretty boy, looking at this pretty boy, looking fresh to death, it's so scary, help me. Ooh, it's such a pretty boy, looking at this pretty boy, wanting a taste of that life. P-R-E-T-T-Y-B-O-Y. Why you running through my mind? Why I want you by my side? You a P-R-E-T-T-Y. That's on God. Why you running through my mind? Why you running through my mind? Ooh, it's such a pretty boy, looking at this pretty boy, looking fresh to death, it's so scary. Thank y'all so much for being here. Shout out the other amazing artists here tonight. Shout out Sofar. Thank y'all so much. Shout out Kiarah. I love you. Literally, this has been a goal of ours for so long. Like ever since I met Kiarah, like it was, yes. And yeah, thank y'all so much. Hold on. Huge round of applause for GOVAN.
It went really good. It went really good. I was really nervous, but I let all that
Crushed it. Sing his little heart out.
And you're playing guitar, your heart out.
It was fun.
It was amazing. The crowd was cool. The crowd was vibing. The crowd was vibing. There's a few people I was like, boop, 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 boop. And I was like, it's right here.
How do you feel?
Feel very good. Very good. I'm very excited for the world to hear these songs, because these are songs that I've been holding captive. Yes, as an artist, that you want to hold on to your baby. So I'm excited that people were vibing with it and people were, you know, yeah. Oh, the EP will be coming in May. Full send. No changes. It's coming in May.
Okay. Set in stone?
Set in stone. Stay tuned for the Pretty Boy Show.
Set the date, yeah.
Okay.
And I'm just excited to be here. Happy to be here. Blessed to be here with my homie, my day one. And yeah.
Awesome. Thank you.